Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. You Made Me Love You, an enduring song from 1913. I'll sing it and then I'll tell you something about it and go through all the chords as usual. You made me love you. I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to do it. You made me want you. And all the time you knew it. I guess you always knew it. You made me happy sometimes. You made me glad. But there were times, dear, you made me feel so bad. You made me sigh for I didn't want to tell you. I didn't want to tell you. I want some love, that's true. Yes, I do, indeed I do. You know I do. Give me what I cry for. You know you got the kind of kisses that I'd die for. You know you made me love you. You made me sigh for I didn't want to tell you. I didn't want to tell you. I want some love, that's true. Yes, I do, indeed I do. You know I do. Give me what I cry for. You know you got the kind of kisses that I'd die for. You know you made me love you. You know you made me love you. As I say, this is a song from 1913. It was composed by James V. Monaco with lyrics by Joseph McCarthy. It was first sung by Al Jolson in the Broadway revue Honeymoon Express in 1913, and he recorded it the same year. It was an international success and is recorded since by many others, including Bing Crosby, Nat King Cole, Patsy Cline, Aretha Franklin, Barry Manilow, Dorothy Day, Olivia Newton-John, and so many more. And it's been featured in many films and many shows. There's an amazing performance of the song by Julie Garland, singing to a photograph of Clark Gable when she was just 15 years old in the show The Broadway Melody of 1938. Well, there are quite a few chords in this song, 10 in fact, but it goes very slowly. It starts in the key of G with the G chord. You made me love you, and it's a B minor 7, which is a bar across the second fret. Or you can play it with one finger covering those two, another finger covering those two. There are various ways, like a D chord. U, C sharp diminished 7 sounds horrible, but it's just U. A minor 7, everybody's favourite chord. Didn't want to D7, do it. Didn't want to do it. You made me want to D7 and G, and all the time you knew it. I guess you always knew it. And then E7, you made me happy sometimes. A7, you made me glad. But there were times, dear, D7, when you made me feel so bad. And just to fill in a bit, I go to C6. Then we got D. You made me sigh for. I didn't want to tell you. I didn't want to tell you. I want some love. Now you've got a B7 chord, you've got a choice here, and I think the first time I do the bar chord at the second fret, it's an A7 shape, just moved up 2 frets. The second time I use an alternative version, which is to play an A shape really, moved up again 2 frets. And that A just happens to be the 7th, so it's a B7. They might find it easier. I found the bar easier personally, because you then slide down to the E7 chord. Give me what I cry for, A7, and I got kisses that I die for. G. Now this is not necessary, but I do slip in an E minor chord here. You know you made me love you. Just to make it a bit more interesting, at the end I take the G chord down 1 fret to make an F sharp chord with a bit of a scrunchy flattened ninth there, which you may or may not like. If you don't like it, just play the top 3 strings. And finish with a C shape at the 7th fret, which is a G chord. Well, once again, I hope you enjoyed that, found it helpful. It's a lovely song, and it does go quite slowly. Anyway, whatever you do, however you do it, have fun.